DeFi Darius, Digital Asset Junkie TV. Thank you guys so much for kicking it with me. Today we are talking about Solana and Internet Computer Protocol, okay? And why Internet Computer Protocol is going to be the most dominant blockchain in the ecosystem. Of course, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, you guys. Hey, man. So, I'm not going to ask you guys to like and subscribe, but that would be cool. But what I'm really going to ask you guys to do, go to my X account. Please interact with my tweets. Come on. I need more interaction. Come on now. Don't be like that, you guys. All right. So, Solana is integrating with the Internet Computer Protocol, joining Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's right, because Bitcoin and Ethereum use the Solana blockchain. Okay. All right. So, we're going to talk about that a little bit later. But first, let's listen to what Internet Computer Protocol is going to be doing with Solana.
Hi everyone, I'm Gregory, a senior software engineer and the team lead of the cross-chain team at the Definity Foundation. And today I would like to show you how a smart contract on the internet computer, also called the canister, can control assets on the Solana blockchain. So Solana is one of the leading blockchains.
So he's saying that you can control your assets on the Solana blockchain, okay? And you could do that through the Internet Computer Protocol blockchain.
In terms of trading volume in the last month. And by controlling assets on the Solana blockchain from the internet computer, you can tap in that vibrant ecosystem and also leverage existing integrations like with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and other EVM chains. So today what I would like to focus on is basically three things. We're going to deploy a smart contract on the internet computer, and that smart contract is going to do three things. One is going to read the state of the Solana blockchain. So for example, reading the account balance on Solana. And second, we're going to write on the Solana blockchain, meaning send transactions from a canister. So first, we're going to start easy by sending some SOL, which is the native cryptocurrency on the Solana blockchain, from a canister to a Solana address. And last, we're going to show how to send also an SPL token. So SPL is like the fungible token standard on Solana, such as USDC, from a canister to the Solana blockchain. So now I'm inside an ID with two.
You guys can see, all right, we're not going to go through this whole video. Go to Definity, okay? Definity's page on YouTube. Okay, they just posted this. You guys, I just wanted to show you guys that Internet Computer Protocol and Solana, okay, are in cahoots. All right, so, you know, I always go back. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, and you know me, man, okay? I'm not, this isn't financial advice at all. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial expert at all, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, as I'm looking at CoinMarketCap, all right, I'm going to go to Internet Computer Protocol right here. So I have Solana, 145, Internet Computer Protocol, $5.54, okay? All right, so you guys have to understand that Internet Computer Protocol is linking with other blockchains, okay? Meaning you can, I forgot the exact word. Let's listen to this guy. He's going to talk more about how you can operate assets, okay, on the Internet Computer Protocol blockchain. You can operate other blockchains from the Internet Computer Protocol blockchain. Listen to this guy talk.
We have seen phenomenal growth in the last few months. We have seen the cycle burn, so basically usage going up.
Cycle burns, that means usage, okay? Do you guys know Caffeine AI? We're going to talk about Caffeine AI at the end of this, okay? The self-writing internet, Caffeine AI, you can kind of liken that to a Web3 chat GPT on steroids because you're building real websites that are operating instantly. You're building real apps with Caffeine AI, okay?
In terms of dev growth, we're only second to Solana. So ICP is really at the forefront, and that's very motivating for the entire ecosystem. At the same time, you see super attractive new projects. We have been working a lot on the chain fusion.
Chain fusion, okay? Okay? That's a vocabulary word of the day. Chain fusion. Let's continue to hear this.
Fusion allows you to hold and control assets on other chains. And that's also a perfect means of not just forcing developers or end users to jump ship and go directly from some other chain into the ICP world, but they can keep their assets where they are, they can keep the smart contracts where they are, but augment them, and that allows to make a transition step by step.
Do you guys see what Internet Computer Protocol is doing? Okay, it's called chain fusion. That's where you can access your assets on different blockchains on the Internet Computer. So let's say if you have assets on the Solana blockchain that you're staking, you can modify them, okay? You can augment them from the Internet Computer Protocol, all right? You hear what I'm saying? So the cycle burn rate is going to go through the roof, okay? When you talk about canisters are pretty much like mini computers to host your project, all right? So the more different users who operate their tokens on via the Internet Computer blockchain, all right, the cycle burn rate is going to go through the roof, okay, making this price get a little similar to that price right there, okay, all right. And I'm not going, we're not going to go into tokenomics, but Internet Computer Protocol has less circulating supply tokens than Solana. Okay, actually they have a less total supply. Okay, Solana actually has 604 million total supply and a 527 million circulating supply. So Internet Computer Protocol has a less total supply. All right, which means that this price right here, $5.03, is going to go through the roof. All right, so how is Internet Computer Protocol going to go through the roof? All right. How? That's when the cycle burn rate goes through the roof because of the self-writing internet, which is Caffeine AI. Let's hear our boy Dominic talk about Caffeine AI.
It's a platform
man.
that realizes that vision for users. The self-writing internet vision is that you can talk to the internet to create new functionality in the form of apps and services that appear on a URL. Nearly everyone in their personal lives at some point or another is going to be creating sovereign apps on platforms like the Internet Computer. And then they're going to do it just by talking to AI. Self-writing is a different paradigm to vibe coding. The AI is helping write some of your boilerplate code, helping you fix typos and a few bugs. But really, vibe coding is a paradigm for software engineers. Self-writing is a different paradigm where anybody can create without having any technical skills at all. Quite literally talk to the AI and your functionality appears on the internet, which is obviously completely revolutionary.
Absolutely. It's extremely revolutionary. If you could talk, you can code. All right, young coders, that doesn't mean that you guys are going to get pushed out of the game, okay? That means you just have to innovate, all right? Internet Computer Protocol is going to be one of the top blockchains, not only to, build projects on, okay, but let's not forget the meme token ecosystem, okay? After all and again, this isn't financial advice. This isn't, I don't even know what I'm talking about, okay? But my theory is that after all the institutions throw all their money on a blockchain, blockchains like Internet Computer Protocol, I shouldn't say blockchains like Internet Computer Protocol. Internet Computer Protocol is going to be the leading blockchain for meme coins, okay, for this next generation, until somebody else creates something that does it better, cheaper, and faster. All right? Hey, you guys, man, thank you guys for listening. Digital Asset Junkie TV, like and subscribe.